Hi students, today we will study resistance thermometer. In previous class, we discussed gas filled thermometer, for example, nitrogen gas thermometer. Now, resistance thermometer, for example, platinum resistance thermometer. Its principle, change in temperature is directly proportional to change in resistance of conductor. The range of resistance thermometer, that is range of platinum resistance thermometer, is minus 200 degree centigrade to 1200 degree centigrade. Construction. A platinum resistance thermometer consists of long fine platinum wire wound in a double spiral. This is double spiral of platinum wire wound on a mica sheet. Double spiral to avoid inductive effect. The two ends of platinum wire, this is the first end and this is another end, connected to two leads. These two arrow shows two leads made up of copper. For measurement of high temperature, these compensating leads is made up of platinum wire instead of copper, and these leads are further connected to Wheatstone meter bridge or bridge circuit. There are also compensating leads. These are the two parallel compensating leads having same resistance as that of platinum wire. These two platinum wire and these two are compensating leads parallel to each other, both having same resistance. These both are enclosed in a glazed porcelain tube. This tube is sealed and binding terminals, this is the first terminal, this is another terminal, and these are the two compensating terminals at the top of this circuit. This is Wheatstone meter bridge. In this bridge, R1, R2, R3, R4, these are the four resistance, and another is fifth resistance is RT, and this is galvanometer. When the bridge is balanced, at that time the relation is satisfied. That relation is R1 upon R2 is equal to R3 plus RT divided by R4. The platinum resistance thermometer, the relation between temperature and resistance is given by the relation RT is equal to R0 1 plus alpha T, where alpha is temperature coefficient of resistance, T is rise in temperature, R0 resistance at 0 degree centigrade, RT resistance at T degree centigrade. By using this relation, determine the value of RT. Advantages of platinum resistance thermometer. First, the range of this thermometer from minus 200 degree centigrade to 1200 degree centigrade. This thermometer has high sensitivity. Its installation is easy. It has linear characteristics and it has plus or minus 0.15% accuracy. Disadvantages of platinum resistance thermometer. First disadvantage, its response is low. Possibility of current leakage between a resistance element and ground. For balancing bridge,